Hello, my beautiful glam queens. Welcome back to my channel. And if you are new here, I am Alicia, lover of makeup and glam rock. Yeah, it is that time. It is rainy season. So I got my sweatshirt going on here to keep me warm. I have my heater going on as well. And I have sniffles. Wonderful. Okay. Let's get into it. The votes are in. Thank you all who participated. Every Saturday I will be posting 2 products in my TikTok feed and out here on YouTube. And you guys will have a chance to vote which product is your favorite. Also, keep on watching to find out how you can get featured in next week's video. This week's products we have Gwen Stefani's line. I don't know how you say it. GXVE. Yeah, that's pretty much it. So here we go. First product up is Anaheim Shine Original Recipe. High performance satin lipstick at your service. Ooh la la. Very nice. This is the shine one, so it does have a shine to it.
It's beautiful.
Regular size of this is 0.10 ounces. This is the, of course, sample size, 0.03 ounces. I got it in this cute little kit right here. Bam! It comes with 3 lipstick that's supposed to be like Gwen Stefani's. The only thing I'm sad about is that there's no lip liner in this kit. That would have been perfect. Lip liner, guys. Still a pretty good kit. Worth the money. This lipstick and lip kit can be found at GXVEBeauty.com and of course Sephora/Kohl's, and it is around $26. The lipstick is $26. The lip kit is $25. This little sample size does not have the expiration date on it, but lipsticks usually last around 12 months. It is vegan, cruelty-free, and a clean product, which means it's clean as Sephora. Squeaky clean. As clean as it can be, I guess. This original recipe is the perfect red to recreate Gwen Stefani's signature lip. Ooh yes. A silky rich pigment that glides on smoothly and is comfortable all day. It is buildable and has a satin finish. Polybutene, propylene carbonate, and polyethylene. It also has a fragrance, perfume. Me trying to smell with my stuffed nose. For those of you out there who have good noses, please leave a comment and let me know how it smells like, because today I just cannot. I'm trying. The key for the demonstration. So usually I like to put on the lip liner. It lets it grip onto something, not just your lip. I do have a little bit of some, well, actually it's probably all gone now. I had some chapstick on, so my lips could get all nice and soft and not dry. So what they would like you to do is start at the center, then swipe. Oh, and as you are swiping, just go ahead and do your lip beautifully. Yes, like this. It's like Sebastian. You put out your lips like this. Oh, Little Mermaid reference, by the way. Oh, this glides on really nicely. If you like to add powder on top of that, go ahead, grab a tissue. Make sure you split it. You know how tissues have that too. Split it. Make sure it's just one sheet. And then put that sheet on top of your lip and powder on top of that. Next we have is Original Me. Original Recipe. What? True Red. Once again. Oh yeah. But this one is a high performance matte lipstick. Matte, everybody. No shine. Regular lipstick is 0.10 ounces. Sample size 0.3 ounces. Again, can be found at GXVEBeauty.com and Sephora/Kohl's. Price of it, $26. Now, I like to show you, but I have to be very, very careful with this one, because this happened right when I opened it. It just went plurk. So, try not to go all the way up. For me, I just have to leave it right here. As you can see, it had some fall damage. Little dent right there. I don't know if you guys could see that, but it's there. Expiration, probably around 12 months. Again, not back here. It does have a lipstick symbol though, like a lip, literally lip symbol. I've been seeing that a lot lately on lip products. It is vegan, cruelty free, and of course clean. Clean. This true red lip has an ultra rich, not just rich, ultra rich payoff and a velvety matte finish. It is an intensely pigmented formula that glides on smoothly, boldly, and stays on all day, of course. It should not fade or feather, but if it does need some help, go ahead and put that powder on. Or what would be helpful, lip liner. It has aluminum hydroxide, synthetic beeswax, and synthetic wax, of course, dimethicone, and fragrance/perfume. I can smell a little bit in this one, but I still can't point out what it is, you guys. Scent, please come back. Okay, here I go. I'm going to put it on my lip. The bottom one, of course. It's going to be matte. Oh, it is matte. Ooh la la. But of course, the same red, but without the shine. It's pretty good. I think I like this one. Center, swipe, swipe, all the way outwards, all day long. Yes. I'm going to reapply the top one as well. Center, swipe, swipe. Oh yeah. Oh, yes. Look at that shine. Look at that shine. Can you see the shine? Probably not. Probably doesn't go through camera. Yes. Very nice. I love matte lipstick. Ah, it's so nice. So nice.
I really think it's so nice.
Zoom in on the lip. Can you see it all? Can you all see it? Okay, that's enough. Zoom out, back away, back away. Thank you. Okay, here we go. We're going to get into the results for the TikTok. Just like this. Okay. And the winner, oh my gosh, I can feel the matte one all broken inside. Can you guys hear that? Yep. And that's the shine one, not broken, matte, broken. Anyways, okay, here we go. TikTok results. And the winner is... Boom! Matte, 67%. And we have shine, high shine, 33%. Woohoo! Congratulations, Matt. Matt? Yes, you're there. Congratulations, you are the winner. Now let's get to the YouTube results. Here we go for the YouTube results. Here we go. Oh, yeah. And the winner on this one is... Boom! Matte, 60%. High shine, 40%. Ooh, close, but it is still matte. Yay! Oh, yep. Matt, you are the winner. Congratulations. Everybody agrees with me that you are the more superior one. I don't know. I feel like the color is a little bit more rich in it. That's just me, though. Now, don't let the results scare you, though. Which one was your favorite? Let me know in the comments below, and you can get featured in next week's video. Was it the matte one, or was it the high shine? Doesn't work. I want to hear from you guys, because you are the voice. You guys influence me. So I want to hear from you. Which one was your favorite? Just wanted to remind you guys to give this video a thumbs up. And yeah, that's it. We're done. See you guys next week. Keep on loving makeup and keep on rocking. Yeah, bye. I feel like the sickness keeps getting worse and worse. We get better. And by we, I mean my boyfriend and I. We like feel good. And then all of a sudden, we get sick again. Don't know how. Don't know why. We washed all our sheets. We cleaned everything. I think I will buy some more Lysol just to be extra sure. But it's definitely something else because I did not have sniffles before. So we caught it from somewhere else probably. Wonderful. Anyways, wish us luck in getting better. Yes. Lots of soup. That's what we're doing. Okay, bye. Love you guys.